In their days, they can enter into a place. You know, when I say, look, if you really know that, if we actually thought that we have gotten the restoration of the raw power of God back to this generation, enter the hospital. It's a sign that we know that there is nothing. Enter into go to those psychiatric homes. If we say we have power, let's get to psychiatric home. When you enter there, at least let 3 of them that are mad come back to their senses, like the days of Jesus. I hope you know that we don't need cruise, we don't need hand B. There's something I'm begging God for. I know oh God, send the fire down. We need it again. This generation, we talk too much, but we know we are powerless. There is proliferation of ministries and churches everywhere, and the power of God is not being felt. Genuine, tangible, raw miracles. You know, I read my Bible. The Bible said that, and they brought all that were sick to him, and he healed them all. And it was ministry somewhere the power of God was present to him. I am begging God, restore back to the body of Christ a revival of creative miracles. Amputated hands coming out, like in the days of the Jeffrey brothers. A revival that we see. We can't say we are experiencing revival while the protests are increasing. Yes, the Bible says iniquity shall abound, the love of many shall wax cold. But when God comes, when He comes with revival, there's a change. Iniquity abound, but we can be seeing genuine conversion. We'll be seeing people coming to know Jesus, coming to encounter Christ genuinely, and will be on the street burning for Christ.